¿Qué tal, chavales? Buenos días. Bueno, pues vamos a subir uno de los puertos más emblemáticos de Asturias y, por qué no decirlo, también de los más bonitos. El asfalto no es el mejor del mundo, pero bueno, el paisaje y el entorno que lo rodea lo compensan todo. Así que nada, os voy a ir enseñando las imágenes y espero que os guste.
Your charms. Now I'm left here broken, shot down in your arms. You lit the match, set fire to my soul, but not the fool you can't control. You give love a loaded gun, pull the trigger, watch me run, play me like a game, now it's done. Oh baby, you give love a loaded gun. Kisses like poison, words like steel. Every touch made me doubt what was real. The sweet talk was deadly, like a silent crime. I'm just one more victim in your line. You took aim, left me for dead. Now see the truth you hid instead. You give love a loaded gun, pull the trigger, watch me run, play me like a game, now it's done. Oh baby, you give love a loaded gun. No more falling for your sweet disguise. I see through the dark behind your eyes. Took my heart, left it in the dust, but I won't stay broken, won't turn to rust. You give love a loaded gun, pull the trigger, watch me run, play me like a game, now it's done. Oh baby, you give love a loaded gun. I'm walking away, won't fall for your game. You're the spark that burns in vain.
Bueno, y por fin llegamos arriba, puerto de Somiedo. Espero que os haya gustado y nos vemos en el siguiente. Chao, chao.